जो एनर्जी एक इंटरव्यू में एक कमरे में होती है जब आप आमने सामने बैठे रहते हो, लाइक हाउ इट इज राइट नाउ, वो आप रिकैप्चर नहीं कर सकते हो व्हेन यू आर डूइंग इट वर्चुअली. सो मैं तो बहुत खुश हूँ. ये जो लॉयर जिस तरीके से बातें करते हैं ना, मेरे सर के ऊपर बाउंसर चला जाता है. तो आई वाज लाइक यार अच्छा है, लंबे डायलॉग सुने, मगअप करने होंगे. नॉट बिकॉज आई एम इन लव विद माई सेल्फ, ऑफ कोर्स मे बी आई एम, वी आर ऑल नार्सिसिस्ट एक्टर्स एंड दोज हु से दे आर नॉट आर लाइंग.
इलीगल सीजन 2 बहुत जल्द ऑन एयर आता हुआ दिखाई देगा, लेकिन आज मेरे साथ या नीचे चक्कर पे आ चुके हैं तनुज विरवानी, जो कि बात करेंगे अपने इसी सीजन के बारे में, कैरेक्टर के बारे में, एंड लॉट मोर अबाउट द शो. सो लेट्स जस्ट वेलकम तनुज एंड गेट टू नो व्हाट ऑल इज ही गोना शेयर अबाउट इट. Tanuj, firstly, welcome to Telly Chakkar.
Thank you so much once again. Thank you so much for having me on the show. I always love being on this show and chatting with you. तो आज बहुत ही मजा आएगा.
Well, I would firstly love to know कि कोविड का जो ये अनफॉर्चुनेट सफर था, ये वक्त जो पार हो चुका है, कितनी खुशी हो रही है कि ऑन ग्राउंड वापस चीजें बेटर हो रही है.
मैं आपको बता नहीं सकता. I mean, it is such a relief. It's been almost 2 years. 2 साल हो चुके हैं since the last time I was out for ground promotions. I think पिछली बार December 2019. So over 2.5 साल हो गए हैं. एंड इतना अच्छा लग रहा है बिकॉज घर बैठे बैठे भी वर्चुअल प्रमोशंस करने में भी एक अलग सा एक मजा है. यू कैन लिटरली रोल आउट ऑफ बेड. पूरे कपड़े पहनने की जरूरत भी नहीं है. आप अपने पजामा या बॉक्सेस में भी दे सकते हो, एज लॉन्ग एज व्हाट इज इन द फ्रेम looks fine. We've all done that, high five on that. So, but it feels nice to come out, interact with all you guys, and जो एनर्जी एक इंटरव्यू में एक कमरे में होती है जब आप आमने सामने बैठे रहते हो, लाइक हाउ इट इज राइट नाउ, वो आप रिकैप्चर नहीं कर सकते हो व्हेन यू आर डूइंग इट वर्चुअली. सो मैं तो बहुत खुश हूँ.
So the hype is too high. What do you think? Will they actually get that answers, या maybe उनका वो hype क्या फुलफिल होने वाला है?
मैं तो हाँ ही बोलूंगा ना, मैं ना क्यों बोलूंगा. नो ऑफ कोर्स, आई मीन जोक्स अपार्ट. देखिए, मैं भी पहले सीजन का बहुत बड़ा फैन रह चुका हूँ. तो जब समर खान ने मुझे कॉल किया एंड ही आस्क्ड मी टू बी पार्ट ऑफ द सेकंड सीजन, आई वाज वेरी वेरी हैप्पी. मैं थोड़ा नर्वस भी था बिकॉज अब तक मैंने जितने भी शोज करे हैं वेब सीरीज के दुनिया में, आई हैव बीन देयर फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट सीजन. और फिर मैं दूसरे एक्टर्स को वेलकम करता हूँ सीजन 2 सीजन 3 के लिए. तो दिस वाज द फर्स्ट टाइम दैट द रोल रिवर्सल हैड हैपेंड. बट आई फील कि प्रोडक्शन वैल्यू से लेके स्टोरी क्वालिटी, द लोकेशंस, एवरीथिंग has only been cranked up 5 notches for 10 notches for the second season. तो मेरे ख्याल से जिस तरीके का रिस्पॉन्स आया है टीजर और ट्रेलर को लेकर, आई थिंक वो एक अच्छा मोमेंटम सा आ गया है, एंड आई थिंक गाइस विल बी वेरी हैप्पी.
Well, I'm pretty sure that you might have seen season 1, and उस नाते I would love to know कि आपका favorite scene था कोई उसमें, या कोई ऐसा कुछ था part that you loved?
Yes, actually, and both are good friends of mine, Neha as well as Akshay. There's a lovely scene of the two of them on the staircase. I think it's towards the end of the first season. अभी काफी टाइम हो गया season 1 देखकर.
People started rising now.
Yeah. But I mean, I feel because they had a very interesting dynamic, because professionally और personally भी वो एक interlink सा था. तो yeah.
जब आपको कॉल आता है कि सीजन 2 का हिस्सा बनना है, कैरेक्टर के बारे में ब्रीफ किया जाता है, व्हाट वाज द इंस्टेंट रिएक्शंस इन दैट थिंग्स गोइंग इन योर हेड कि अच्छा यार ये प्रिपेयर करना है, कैसा करना है, ये करना है, व्हाट इज इट इन द हेड?
Firstly, I'll let you know a little secret. अक्षय ओबराय और मैं रियल लाइफ में भी अच्छे दोस्त है. तो हमारा एक सीक्रेट पैक्ट है, नॉट सो सीक्रेट एनीमोर, क्योंकि मैं कहने जा रहा हूँ दैट हम हर साल कम से कम एक शो करेंगे. So the moment I got to know कि हाँ ये इलीगल सीजन 2 के लिए है, समर खान भी जुड़े हैं इसके साथ, अक्षय ओबराय भी है, पीयूष मिश्रा जिनका मैं बहुत बड़ा फैन रह चुका हूँ for so many years, and of course the lovely Neha Sharma, right? There's so many reasons for me to say yes. So I mean मेरे लिए it was a no-brainer. I'm like यार, for me it's very important that I do shows and films with actors who I look up to and people who I want to work with. For me it does not make that much of a difference कि इसमें मेरे 5 सीन है या 50 सीन है. If I'm able to contribute to the narrative and I'm able to do good work with good actors on a franchise now, like a show like Illegal, then तो मैं तो तैयार ही.
So in short, quantity से ज़्यादा better quality is what Tanuj looks up to.
Absolutely, and I feel not just with your choices as an actor, but overall in life. I mean, it could be your choice as your choices you make as when it comes to friendship. It could be choices when it comes to your acting career or any line of work that you are, and you should always focus on quality over quantity.
कैरेक्टर के बारे में थोड़ा बहुत फैंस को ब्रीफ कर दीजिए. ऑल्सो क्या ऐसा कुछ खास प्रिपरेशंस था, या फिर हाउ वाज इट दैट यू अप्रोच दिस पर्टिकुलर कैरेक्टर दिस टाइम?
मेरे कैरेक्टर का नाम है राघव मल्होत्रा. ही इज द न्यू एंट्रेंट, जैसे कि पोस्टर में आज एक्चुअली रिलीज होने जा रही है. इट्स रिटन एज द आउटसाइडर, एंड ही इज लाइक दिस हॉटशॉट काइंड ऑफ अप एंड कमिंग guy who's into like startup, जो startups में believe करता है, and he would want to invest in Niharika's firm, and without getting into spoilers, because I mean ये एक नया कैरेक्टर है, तो मैं इसके बारे में कुछ ज़्यादा बोल भी नहीं सकता हूँ. But I just feel a show like Illegal has everybody who is in that legal world, and सब legal भाषा में बात करें and stuff and all that. So I feel my character is a bit of a breath of fresh air because he's not a lawyer. So, you know, and I was actually very relieved also. I'll let you know the secret when they said I'm not playing a lawyer because ये जो लॉयर जिस तरीके से बातें करते हैं ना, मेरे सर के ऊपर बाउंसर चला जाता है. तो आई वाज लाइक यार अच्छा है, लंबे डायलॉग सुने, मगअप करने होंगे. So I was very happy, but there's obviously more to him than meets the eye. He's not a cardboard character, and but that we can only speak after 25th of November.
In that regards, love to know कि आप ऐसा क्या roles हैं that you're looking out up in the near future because seeing how you've set a benchmark अपने लिए खुद.
You know, of course, I mean, every actor has a wish list of the kind of roles or the kind of people that he would want to work with. So I also have that. At this point, I would like to do an out-and-out comedy, frankly, because that's a genre that I have not tapped into as yet. And well, लोग कहते हैं कि real life में have a good sense of humor. लोग कहते हैं, I have not said it. लोग कहते हैं. So I would like to kind of investigate that and see how that translates on screen. You know, because I feel comedy is a very difficult genre to crack because अगर लोग हंसे तो it's awesome. But if you do something and people don't find it funny, you look like an idiot. So it's very so I think that would be quite a unique challenge, you know. So it could be physical humor, it could be like the dry, very British sense of humor, anything. But I would love to do a out and out comedy.
We would love that you get into the role of a reporter and just give us one scoop that you as a reporter would want to share with the audience from the sets that includes the cast. Like a fun thing or maybe a BTS, anything.
I'm just currently censoring a lot of content in my head and seeing what is appropriate to be spoken about on this platform. You know, the thing is, Akshay has been a friend of mine, right? Neha and the rest of the cast I met later, but these are the guys who I was vibing with. So, I mean, set पे हम लोग तो वो हंसी मजाक बहुत चलता रहता था. And you know, sometimes people think अच्छा अगर आप एक legal drama में काम कर रहे हो तो सब लोग set पे बहुत serious रहेंगे. And I'm like, no, in fact, quite the contrary, because the moment it's cut on camera, that's your stress buster. You get to laugh, joke, crack stupid jokes, eat amazing khana. So we had this pact on Illegal that every day one of us would get ghar ka khana. Because also none of us were very comfortable eating from out, obviously because of the pandemic. So like, let's eat ghar ka khana. So Neha would get something. By Neha would get something, I mean only salad, because Neha survives on salad. Akshay bhi kafi, he's quite a foodie. मेरे घर से भी खाना आता था. So we would all bond over that. Now, I can't let you in on the contents of the conversation, but when the three of us were sitting in our vanity vans और हम यानी कि किस के class नहीं लिए ना, that was like if you were a fly on the wall of that vanity van, you would be the happiest reporter in the history of journalists.
Here I would love to know that, you know, seeing how you have grown with your work and how you are now also looking out to play different kind of roles out there. Do you consider yourself like a big time critic of your own work, or do you not like watching your work? What is it like for you?
No, I love watching my work. I do, yeah. I actually find it very difficult to understand when certain actors are like, oh, we don't watch our films and we don't watch our shows. And yeah, a lot of them say that. I don't like watching myself on the monitor while I'm performing. So there are a lot of actors who give the shot and the moment it's cut, they want to go and watch their shot. I don't do that because I feel very, very conscious in that moment. But having said that, I love watching myself because not because I'm in love with myself. Of course, maybe I am. We are all narcissists, we're actors. And those who say they're not are lying. But फिर भी अच्छा लगता है because you feel कि अच्छा ठीक है, I've come this far. और अपने बलबूते पे आया हूँ and I've done it on my terms. You know, everybody has a different journey, everyone has a different path to reach whatever destination they're looking at reaching. So it feels good, and also वो business terms में कैसे कहते हैं ना, आप एक SWOT analysis conduct करते हो, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities and threats. So you need to know yourself. You need to know, okay, these are the things about me that are working. Let's continue working on them. These are the things about me जो नहीं काम कर रहे, उसमें मुझे ज़्यादा काम करना, effort डालनी होगी. And make it seem effortless, because acting is about making the effort seem effortless. Like tomorrow, if I'm playing Raghav Malhotra on this show, you can see the effort in my performance. That will take you out of the experience, because real life, you don't put effort. You're not playing a journalist, you are a journalist. I'm not playing an actor, I am an actor. There's no effort. So when I'm playing a character, it has to seem effortless.
What do you want to tell the fans? Because I'm very sure जितने आप excited हैं उनके साथ, you know, अपना ये show के बारे में share करने में या उनका अपना character दिखाने में, उससे ज़्यादा they are excited to see you back on screen right now. What do you have to tell?
Well, boys and girls, I just want to tell you all that 25th November Illegal is going to be streaming exclusively on Voot Select. और मैं इस show को लेके बहुत ही excited हूँ. I'm sure so are you guys. Many of you all are massive fans of the first season. इसलिए हमें season 2 बनाने का मौका मिला है. So please go check it out. And before you do, recap, watch season 1 and then straight away go and start binge watching season 2. So enjoy. And then DM me.
I wish you all the luck. It's a pleasure always having you here at Delhi Chakkar, and I really hope कि इसके बाद बहुत जल्द हम किसी नए प्रोजेक्ट के साथ बात करने के लिए बैठे रहे साथ. Well, but that was Tanuj Udwani for you people, and this is me, Vishakha Pandit, signing off for now from Delhi Chakkar with camera person Amit Singh.
Know all about the Telly world by subscribing to Telly Chakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.